Hello, I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Hallie Vogel. Beautiful finish to the weekend with a whole lot of sunshine for your Sunday. We'll stay dry. We're going to be chilly tonight, but take a look at that opening day forecast. To me, a grand slam, especially how cold it's been, so it looks really good for tomorrow. And then we're into an unsettled stretch of weather coming our way. Looking at our hour-by-hour forecast, no problems tonight into tomorrow morning. It's really going to focus our attention on more clouds Monday night, late Monday night after midnight into Tuesday morning, a few showers possible, and that'll really set the stage again for on and off rain showers, maybe even a little bit of a wintry mix at times next week. But as far as the forecast goes for tomorrow, if you are going to be attending the home opener, it looks fantastic. It's going to be bright sunshine, temperatures just around the upper 40s to near 50 by game time, but we're actually looking at highs into the 50s tomorrow. 29 for a low, mostly clear, chilly, light wind tonight, 55 for a late afternoon high tomorrow, southeast wind at 5 to 15. Keep in mind, areas west of town, not going to see that influence of a chilly southeast wind, so temperatures like in Lansing and Jackson and even around Howell, you're going to get the warmest temperatures, upper 50s to near 60, but anywhere from Port Huron down toward the airport, those temperatures in the low to mid 50s, but still average and nice. 54 for a high on Tuesday. We increase our chance for rain by Thursday and Friday with temperatures remaining in the 40s all the way into next weekend. Well, thank you for clicking on WXYZ.com. Hope you have a great night.